Assalamu alaikum everyone. For our presentation, first of all, let you know that our team name is Nameless. And then I'm going to introduce myself and my team member one, and my name is Afif Hossain Irfan, and my metric ID is C211005. And my another team member name is Muhammad Jahidul Islam Supto, and his metric ID is C211038. In this project, we are working on the features that are there are two part, the owner part. In the owner part, you can log in. Owner can log in or register, login for existing account, and login, register or signing for new account. And after login and signing, here owner can see other owners, the list of the other owners, and also owner can access, which is the important part, is he can view the full menu, the food menu, and add new item to the menu. And the another important item features is updating existing menu. In this updating existing menu, he can edit name also. Only can edit name, and only can edit price, and only can edit amount, and also edit the whole selected item that are selected, the name, price, amount, all of them can edit. And in the last exit, after exiting, he also can delete the an item from the existing menu, and see the previous order list of the customer. That means the previous all of the customer that order everything he owner can see, so that he can change or change the menu or whatever he wants. And the second part is the customer. The customer can log in for existing account and signing, and a registration for new customer. Also can show, and customer can access, the part customer can access is order food, and see all the previous order list, so that customer can choose the which is the popular in here, and customer can order again and exit. So these are the features that we are working on this project. So now let me the source code that we are made. So let me explain. These are the template. From here, the food uh, the food class is here. This is the main class, base class. There are protected members, string, integer, string name, food price, food amount, and food bill. And you can access these protected variables in other classes, not in the main. These are main. The member function set value food, which them. And we can access protected variable in integer main, so that we have to make the function so that we can access this variable, get food name, food price, to get amount, get bills. These are the things that owner wants to update things, update the values. So also for that, we are making member functions. uh, by them, owner can access the members, the variables of the classes which is protected. These are the member functions. The second is customer class. Customer class can access the food class, can access the food menu. The customer part is also only just ordering food. Namely, we are made the member function set value customer's ID, name, mobile number, password is also assigning to the array. For that we are making this member function. Also these functions for which we cannot access the protected variables. Also that we made the member functions. And these are the functions for the order list, order array, to assign the value of order. We cannot access, so we have to make the access the protected variables. So you have to make the member function same as the owner class, which grab customer class or owner class. Customer is the base, so owner can access the customer variables, also can access the food variables deriving customer classes, and the protected variables for owner and the set value function the same as other classes we have previously. Now I'm starting from the in this main. These are the templates. From here, the owner class is owner array, owner customer array, food array, and order array. First of all, we are here the for owner part. First of all, from all of the owner file data, we are assigning to the array. He's the owner list. For faster is one is ID, second one is name, third line is the mobile number, and fourth line is the password. Same as there are one, two, and three owner. Each four line is for one index of the array. So assigning this file file string to the array, we use get line. If the first line for the ID, second line for the name, and third line for the mobile, and the fourth line for the password. After fourth line, we make the line is 0, and then is increasing 1. Again, he can again the one the second owner is second owner variable was accessing from here, and assigning them here by assigning to the array of the owner array. Same as customer. For customer, are only there are also 4 parts. For first one is ID, second one is name, and third one is mobile number, and fourth one is customer password. Same as assigning this value to the array. And the food part, there was 3. The food part, there food list for the 3 line. After 3 line we can we are getting one index, second index, third index, like that. So the key is chicken, name of the food, and the second line is the price of the food, and third line is the amount, korma. Third one is biryani and kachi and beef. So here is the all 3 line for one index, all 3 line for one index, all 3 line for one index, and here one line for name, second line for price, and third line for amount. By that, food array is as a all this member is assigning to the food array. And the last one, the fourth one, is the order file. Order files from order file data to array. Same as like previous. The first one is the customer name, the customer which order, and the second line is the food he ordered, and the amount, and the bill he has to pay. All of the same as order, assigning to the order array. Here is the order array. First is the name, and the second is the food name. First one is the customer name, second is the amount of he ordered, and is the price. Every 4 line, after every 4 line is one index. Every 4 line is one index. Every 4 line is one index. These are the source code for where we are assigning the file string or data to the array. And now the main part is, first of all, we are asking you to access as owner or customer. If you access as owner, there was first variable password, which is for all common owners, which is the password. If he passes, and he has to log in, or he can, if the existing account, he can log in, or any account for signing. In the login part, taking the name, login ID, and username, and mobile number, and the passwords. If these are matching, and no details is shown here after if you successfully log in. and if you not, tell you to that there was mistake and try again. And the second, if you want to access as a new account or signing for new account, he can signing, and we are asking for how many owners there, and owner ID, owner name, owner mobile number, and owner password also all set in the array. And at last show the list of the all owners. So these are the thing is login and signing part. And here is the owner can access the food menu. The main part is here coming from here, and the first part is owner can access. First one is owner can view full menu. After that, the he can add new food, update existing menu, and deleting existing menu. And he can also see the previous order list of the customer, so that he can change in his food menu. And the here first one is the for view menu, all the menu, all the food item we have. The second one is um, he can add new food for name we are asking. And the here is the we are working on the negative value. If the food price is negative, then we are asking for try again. And if food amount is negative, then we are asking for try again. If these are the positive, then we are okay for that. When we are assigning to the array, after we are assigning the array, show that the food, all the food, after adding new food. And the third part, he can edit the existing amount. For that, for we are showing the food list, so that which food he want to edit or edit, he can choose. And then selected for asking for the selected item, which numbers he want to select, the details of the I selected item. And here's the update for existing. He can edit food name, price, quantity, and also can edit one from the selected food name, price by one. And exit for first one is editing name, the second one is price. For here editing price, we are working on negative part also, and the amount also we are working on the negative part. And the third one is the whole item, and that means he can edit name, price, and amount. The three part of the food he can edit, and we assigning them to the array. The five is for break. This is the invalid section. If you are not successfully, if he chose another option. And this, after all this thing happening, after updating, we are showing the updating food list. After that, owner can delete the desired item he wants. And after, first of all, we are showing them the which account on this list, so that he can choose. Here's the deleting option, he can delete. And after deleting, we are also showing the updated we are having the also the update deleting food list. And the fifth one is he can see the previous list of the customer, previous order list, that the order list. Here he can see the all the customer that order, so that he can choose, he can edit this option. And these are the things that owner can access. And the second part for the customer is here. For the customer also like that, like owner, login part and signing part. The login part, he also can log in, and after login, if successful, show you the details of the customer. If incorrect, then we also give you to try again. And then for new customer, if you are new in for the restaurant, signing option, no ID, name, mobile number, password also give also asked from the customer and assigning to the customer array. After that, we show you the list of the customer that have entered in our restaurant. After that, we show you the food list so that you can order. The part is order starting from here. So you can order food one for you can order. The second part, you can see the previous foods, ordered foods list that another customer order, so that you can choose the which one is the popular here. And the third one is the exist. First one is for ordered part. Checking for the valid number. If the number you put that is not in the our food list, then we are asking you to again put the number. And then the amount. The amount, if the amount is negative and is not valid, then we are asking you to again. If there is valid, then we are assigning, we are taking this part. uh, from here we also assigning this value to the order list, so that we can store them here. And then here is the we if you order one again and again, so for one customer the total cost is also shown here. And you can order again and order again. This is the ordering part. And the second part is that he can see the previous order list, the customer other customer order. After that, uh, the third one is break. That means exit. These are the main features that owner and customer part happening. After that, uh, we remove all the data from in all four files. After that, we are assigning these arrays values to the file, so that this empty file are assigning these values, storing arrays values again. After that, we can accessing all this value. First of all, we assigning the owner all of the owner part, owner values and customer values and the food values and the order list that customer order. Run this code. So so here we're asking for the owner accesses owner or customer. For one is owner. I'm accessing as owner. Here's the first verification code, and successfully logged in. Which is common for all owners. And here is I can log in or signing, creating a new account for two. How many are admin I want to add? I always one. ID is C38. What's this? C38. Username is Supto. With mobile number is 1234, and the password is 12345. And the new owner that that are assigning to the list. Now owner can access the food part. Here is the food list. Here is the beef, kachi, biryani, korma, and chicken. And here is the customer list. ID or ID name, password, mobile number, password, ID name, mobile number, password. Here is the order list. The customer order, customer name, customer the food he order, and amount and bill, and also same as that. So let me, if I want to one for a whole menu, there is the menu. Here was five item. These are here, and I can also, if I want to add new food, is two for two. So you can say dal. Sorry, how many amount? I say one amount. The name of the food is dal. Say, and the price you can say -30. which is invalid price. So 30 again. So 30 is okay. If I say minus 50, is the invalid. 50 is valid. So the updating dial for after 5 6 is updating here, and we can also update the existing amount also delete if we want to delete the 4. Which one I want to delete the number, asking for number is if I say 4, I say 4. 4 one is I want to delete. 4 one is kachi, want to delete. And here chicken korma biryani is and beef dal is here. The kachi is gone, I'm deleting. Next one is I can see the customers that previously ordered. 5 is previously ordered to a customer here, and customer name, customer food, and amount and bill. You can see after that I can exit. So we are here the second part of the project. Here is the customer part. Customer can log in, or customer can sign. New customer can sign in. So for new customer signing, 2. Now how many customer I want to add? There is 1. The customer ID is 08, and name is Afif. Mobile number is 01 022 122. Say 122. Here is the customer, the first 2 customer, and the third one that the new customer, they registered. And after that you are shown the full menu of the restaurant, which one you want to, if you want to order. Before I'm showing you the food previously ordered customer is 2, only 2, this 2 one, and I'm ordering now the food one, ordering. If I want to order a beef 4 piece, amount is say minus 50, which is negative value, or not maximum, which is negative value. If you say 10, okay, then my bill is came here. If I want to order again, let me say just 1, press 1, and the food, order food. If I want to order biryani for 3, and the amount is 7. Again, the bill is here for amount for 1 plate is 160. For this time it is 1120, and the total is 2320 taka. All are here. If you want to order again or see the list of the previous order list, that we also assigning these values to the array. All the order that we are ordered here is that previously you have two customer order. Now this new customer ordered 2 items, so these 2 items is assigning or storing them. After that, by that I'm ending. After running the whole code, everything is again storing to the file. So here is the order list. Here is the previous 2 order list, these 2, and this time we ordered 2 items, and these are storing in here. And the customer name, customer, the food he ordered, the item, and the amount of bill he has to pay. And the customer part, the new customer that we are registered is also storing here. And the food list, we ordered biryani and beef, and the amount is also storing again. And then dal is the new food that we adding by owner. And the owner list, this is the new owner signing. For the new owner that signing is also storing here. So by that I'm ending my presentation. So assalamualaikum everyone, thank you for having.